go ahead and open up System Preferences, then Network, and then once you get here, click on Advanced. This is going to have a list of all the networks that you connected to. It will even have places like Chick-fil-A, Starbucks, Panera, anywhere you go and just like hop onto the Wi-Fi that is there and is free. I would also remove all those extra ones. So here's kind of how you get rid of these. Some of them you can just click, and when you click the minus, it'll just disappear and then you'll be done. Others of them will actually give you this prompt to remove the network, and then you would click remove. And then you would click, once you are done doing that, you would click OK. Just real quick, you definitely want to have MISD at the top. So if you have MISD not at the top, it's really easy to move it. You can just click and you can just move it up like that. Like on mine, I want this connection before I want this connection. So like you can kind of move these around in priority order. So once you have only networks that you want to keep and they're in order according to how I would want to connect to Rogers before I tried Rogers 5G, then click OK. And you definitely still need to click apply. And then you're done. So you can close out of network preferences. Hopefully one of these tips will help you, and if not, we will continue to be here for you.